heard of Mojo? It's a new programming language that's supposed to be 35,000 times faster than Python. But will your code actually run that fast? Let's delve deeper. Mojo is a new programming language, a superior alternative to Python according to its creators. It supports Python syntax and is tailored for machine learning projects. However, for now, it's somewhat impractical. You won't be able to experiment with Mojo on your computer as full Python syntax support is promised in forthcoming updates. Also, there's no access to all of Python's libraries yet. For the time being, its impressive 35,000 times faster claim is only evident in synthetic benchmarks. Let's explore further. In the summer of 2023, to gain access to Mojo, you will have to fill out an early access application and wait for who knows how long. If you're among the chosen few, your experience will be restricted to a Jupyter Hub sandbox with capped features. On the other hand, there are some promising things about Mojo. Firstly, its creator is Chris Lattner, the genius behind the Swift language, the CLang compiler, and the LLVM and MLIR technologies. He's worked for Google, Tesla, and Apple. Notably, they are all invested in AI tech. So it seems like the people behind Mojo really know what they're doing. Secondly, the project's documentation is really good. It's not just some random wiki pages done on the fly. Behind the first cool and shiny features, it delves deep, answering the question, why do we even need this language today? What does the modular team promise us? Nobody wants to learn a new language from scratch today. Hence, Mojo draws inspiration from Python syntax, one of the most beloved programming languages. It also gains access to the entire Python ecosystem, libraries like NumPy and Matplotlib. And finally, we get that promised performance boost thanks to the parallel computing. If Rust, which is based on LLVM, caught your eye, Mojo built on the mightier MLIR will definitely intrigue you. Why should I invest time in Mojo if I can't even use it? Mostly because we have reached the point of no return with AI technologies. There will be more and more products powered by neural networks, and now is the time to jump on this train. Chris Lattner was working on MLIR when he had been a Google engineer. You won't spend so many years just for hype. So what's the takeaway for developers? First off, if you are proficient in neural networks or algorithms, you're lucky because there's going to be more opportunities for you. The buzz around Mojo might sound premature, but just imagine job adverts like develop a voice assistant for a food delivery app. Trust us, these roles will soon be omnipresent. Secondly, the window of opportunity is wide open. While everyone else is busy taking Python courses to start their first IT job, you can seize the initiative and start learning technologies that will be used in the coming years and embellish your CV with trending terms. Don't forget to subscribe to stay abreast of the freshest tech updates.